The LS Wing offers the ability to be controlled by OSC or Open Sound Control, and also to control Open Sound Control or OSC devices. To begin, let's turn on the wing by applying power, and then we'll press number 5 if it's not already selected for OSC. After 30 seconds, the lights stop flashing, which indicates that the wing has booted up fully. Now you can navigate to the wing's IP address, which by default is 192.168.1.10, or the name lswing.local. You can configure either of these as you wish. Check out our overview video for more information on that. Now, as I mentioned, when working with OSC, there are two ways that we can control the LS Wing. The first is right here, the OSC remote control. When this is on, we're able to control the LS Wing. That is, we can fire buttons and faders on the wing from an external OSC source. That happens right here. Turning this on enables this command, and there's an outgoing and incoming port to sync with your controlling device. Keep in mind, like everything with OSC, we want to think about inputs and outputs. And so the outgoing port here will match up with the ingoing port on your controlling device and vice versa. Now I'm going to turn this off so we can talk about OSC control. That is, having the lightShark control other OSC devices. The first thing we're going to do is go to our Targets tab. We can then go ahead and press the plus symbol for our first target. Next, we'll select the target that we wish to control. In this case, I'm going to go and do a Grand MA3. Now we can set up the IP address just by holding and typing in our IP address and pressing save. We can also set the port, which will be the OSC port that we use to control the other device. Once you've matched this to your other device, it's time to go to the Mapping tab. In the Mapping tab, if you haven't created any mappings yet, these will all have the plus symbol on them. And we can go ahead and press Edit to create our new mapping. Press Yes to make it active. Now we have full and complete control of every control on the wing. At the top, we're able to set the name if desired. Then, we can go ahead and select any button or fader. And once we do so, we can press Add. We can choose an action. And then we can test it right here. The OSC is active, and it's going to happen as long as you've configured everything correctly. Then you can go ahead and assign the rest of the buttons. Part of the beauty of this system is that if you have defined multiple targets on the targets page, for example, if we go ahead and add an ETC EOS, on our mapping page, we will now see when we go to define a fader or button that we have both options here. So any item that you add to the targets page will automatically be added to the mapping page as options for you to assign. Assign all your buttons and faders, and then you're off to the races. As you may know, you can also exit right here and have multiple mappings. Pressing an inactive mapping, which is not highlighted in the color, allows you to activate it. So you're able to have multiple mappings for multiple uses that are all saved within the wing. You can activate them, edit, delete them as you please. And that's it. We hope you enjoy the LS Wing.